Hello, and welcome to Dynabuddy. This video will show you how to play along with the videos called Mix It Up. Mix It Up videos are sight reading videos. Make sure you have your instrument set up and ready to play, and the volume turned up on your device before you start the video. First, you'll have the opportunity to look at the music before you start playing. Notice any details that might help your sight reading, like key signatures, time signatures, accidentals, form instructions like repeats or DS, etc. If you notice any tricky rhythms, we recommend pausing the video and thinking about how to count the rhythm. Practicing the rhythm on ta so you know exactly how it will go when you play it on your instrument. You can also take this opportunity to think about any new notes or fingerings. Next, follow the notes and play along. The notes you play should sound the same as the notes you hear. You'll hear just the notes with the metronome the first time you play the piece. After that, you'll get to play it again while you hear piano accompaniment instead of the metronome. And then, as an extra challenge, try singing the notes instead of playing them. You can say la or do or the names of the notes while you sing. Then, keep watching till the end so you can give yourself a score. Pause the video if you need to so you can think about how your notes sounded compared to what you heard in the video. If you scored a 1, go back to the beginning and try again. Learning music takes a lot of practice. Happy practicing!